615. 8191. Unit 819.
I'll be pulling up shortly.
2021.
Hey, it's Hilgeman. I'll get a better look at it when she comes back out here, but Robert's got a pretty good bite. Fuck. 6415, we're in pursuit of a patrol car.
6415 pursuing a patrol car, direction of travel.
Westbound, coming up to Moreland.
Approaching Moreland.
It's going north on Moreland.
North on Moreland.
Get after it. Stay calm, you're good.
6409 and 608. 649.
648, go ahead.
648, 6415 is pursuing a patrol unit that's flight northbound on Moreland from home.
Coming up to White.
Approaching White.
648, clear.
Clear right, go through it.
Number notifying Lego, 2004.
So we might have a T coming up, so get close. You're not pit trained, are you?
Nope.
Okay. Keep going.
415 update.
Still northbound, coming up to Bailey. Speeds are 100.
100 miles an hour.
Brake, scrub.
The MSP cruiser.
A-firm. Gonna be east on Bailey.
Eastbound Bailey.
From 08. Who's the suspect?
Courtney Maury, the one that just bit Roberts. Turning north on Mason.
We're northbound on Mason. From Bailey.
Continuing northbound, coming up the power line.
Northbound Mason from Bailey, approaching the power line.
Headed that way.
815 en route. And the way it goes on TX, did you have someone close? Head
Get
your
up
way.
close.
Get close?
Could be a dead end up here.
The road should dead end.
Going back east on Powerline Road.
We're eastbound on Powerline Road from Mason.
Check, westbound.
Correction, westbound.
Coming up to Swanson Road.
Powerline of Swanson.
Doing good. Just keep your bearings. We're on dirt. North shot on Swanson.
Northbound on Swanson from Powerline.
Yeah, keep going, she's still going. Coming up to 140th, still northbound.
Northbound Swanson approaching 140th.
Alright, hold up. Slow up. Just in case. Alright. She's still up there. Make it up.
We're gonna Nuevo unit at 128.
Still northbound.
Still northbound Swanson, passing 140th.
Coming up to River Drive.
Northbound Swanson approaching River Drive.
The road changed. We're on Fitzgerald Avenue now, northbound.
Or northbound on
Eastbound on South River Drive. Scrub.
eastbound on South River Drive from Fitzgerald.
Alright, get after it. Go.
Over 17 around. 2028.
And we're going to be northbound on Warner Avenue, right by the river.
Northbound Warner near the river.
Get up, it's all the way up there.
You guys at the Tahoe or
To Tahoe.
We're confirming it's the MSC Tahoe at 2033.
Continuing northbound through 112th.
Continuing northbound through 112 on Warner.
We're going to be second. I believe the Nuevo unit is primary. Careful.
Number 6415 taking second, Nuevo taking primary.
Go around and get after it. As soon as you're able, get back into the gas. Still northbound through 104th.
Still northbound Warner through 104th.
Approaching 100th Street.
Approaching 102nd.
Taking a westbound shot on 100th Street.
Westbound on 100th.
Disregard, it's going to be a DNR unit in lead.
Number correction, DNR unit in the lead, 6415 calling out second.
Westbound on 100, coming up to Osborne Avenue.
100 approaching Osborne.
I don't know. Still westbound, speeds are 96, no traffic. Looks like we're coming up to Green Avenue.
Still westbound 100 approaching Green, speeds at 96, no traffic. 817 go.
I'm one road west of Green. I can probably get spikes on 180.
Number 817 possibly get spikes on 108.
I can't see her. Looks like she is continuing west.
Continuing westbound on 100.
Yeah, it says it's a dead end, so we're crossing Green on 100th dirt road.
Number 100, Dirt Road, crossing green, possible dead end. Down by the creek, vehicle stop. Vehicle stop near the creek.
Stop now! No! What a crazy boy. Stop right now! Stop on the ground. On the ground. Right now. Get down. Don't fucking move. You're going right now. Get down. Don't fucking behind your back. Put your arms behind your back right now.
I can't move. Why you just do me I'm very crazy.
Stand up.
Up.
You need to stop me.
No.
Why you not shoot me?
I'll shoot you.
Shoot me.
You're actually gonna pay for what you're doing here.
Okay, shoot me.
Let's go, feet up.
You. Take me back to the loot again. The bitch see me get undone. Fucking dumb bitch.
Enough.
Shane that bitch better.
Hey, enough.
Fuck you.
Don't make yourself worse here.
Rip my tongue out, fucker.
Alright.
One of you guys got a cage?
I do. What the hell?
Prick. You shit and die. Okay, you guys
Let's go.
carry me. You guys carry me. Carry me. I ain't walking.
Give me your legs.
Yep. Carry me, motherfucker. We're reaching head to toe. They don't give a fuck. I'm not out there.
You're not going back there.
I don't give a fuck. I don't care. It doesn't help me anyway. They won't give me a revive me. So fuck me over here. Come me over. Come on. Get on me. Whatever. Hey, look. Fucking weird guys.
Unit 111, 115, straight truck
Wait,
loading.
he's on hand there. Let me get the top. Yeah, hold my arm like that.
111, straight truck loading.
You gonna walk?
Yeah.
Colors of
Who
the
you
lane,
think?
home.
Let's go.
Yeah, hold my arm like that. My arm's already fucked. You shut the fuck up. Let's go, po prick. Po prick.
Check will be
Let me
yesterday.
walk.
Where she's
I'm walking if you hold me like that.
will be using it.
I walk if you don't hold me like that.
Let's go. Then walk. Let's go. Come on.
You gonna fucking stop pulling me like that?
23.
Fuck. Quick! Should've thought about that before he got arrested. Jerk off tomorrow. That's it. Good job. Pat him on the back, give him a blowjob over there. Right? That's it.